Good afternoon, Dave Armstrong here from DA Gas Heating and Plumbing. Today I'm doing a tool talk review for expert trades. Today I'll be reviewing the Monument 15mm solder crimping tool. Now the idea in this tool is once you've fluxed up your fittings and pipe, you put them together. Sometimes when you apply heat the fitting can move, the pipe can fall out if you're trying to solder vertically. Some people use their grips to crimp the fitting together, but it can distort the fitting and the pipe. So Monument have this crimping tool. The idea is once you've fluxed the pipe, quite simply you put the tool around the fitting and gently squeeze it. It puts a tiny little dot and crimp into the pipe, into the fitting rather. The fitting can still be removed, turned round and altered as necessary, so it doesn't crimp it on there permanently. It just makes it easier for you to solder up, and as you can see it's not distorted the pipe at all. So that's the Monument 2076 solder crimping tool. It's quite heavy, feels well made. Most Monument stuff is, to be fair. I'm a big fan of it. It's a very simple design. The only thing I would like to have seen different, they do this in 15 and 22mm. The only thing I would like to have seen different would have been maybe if they could have done it so one tool fits both 15 and 22mm somehow, whether it's self-adjusting or something like that. It's just, you know, it's another two tools to carry in your tool bag, which, you know, you can use grips, but it'd be another two extra tools which are quite heavy to carry around. So, but overall, it feels well made. It does the job. Not much else to say on it really. So that's Dave Armstrong, DA Gas Heating and Plumbing.